morning. This is my lifestyle upload, and here at the Taste of Texas, we went to this
Steak fajita bowl.
Steak fajita bowl.
Yeah.
Everything in.
Hey, sure.
Yeah. And then it comes medium rare on the steak. Is that okay?
Yeah, that'd be good.
Get these menus out of your way. We'll put that in for you. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's one. Let's try it.
I don't want to come back here.
Yeah.
Comparing that bar blow, compared to the other
It's quite a
prices.
little expensive, but you know what? It's worth it, and all the food is worth it. And I tell you what, if you guys go there, you're gonna enjoy it. And they have this nice, beautiful atmosphere. And I think they have like a dance floor. This is a place to go, like if you wanna go dance salsa or whatever, tango, whatever. I think they have this hangout over there, and it's nearby us by the mall, so we always forget to go there because there's so many other restaurants. I'm all around with the restaurant, and my house is nearby all over the place, so we always forget about this place. So anyway, this time we came over here because felt a little bit sad that we always forget that we go there, we don't go there. But hopefully you guys try it, and if you do, let me know. Leave a message in my video. And it's I think I can't really remember the name of this restaurant, but it's kind of hard to remember it, but you'll find it. It's in my menu, by the way. In the end of the video, there's a full video, and the name of the restaurant's in it. So thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you guys. See you guys later.
I think this is called Julio's.
Oh yeah. Tomato. Yeah. Cilantro. Bacon or ham? Yeah, it's ham. There's ham. And he has bacon. I really like this. This is my favorite. Sarap. Yummy. Ito guys, ang fancy na restaurant na naglaga namin. Ayan. Ganda dito. Hi. Thank you. Let me capture the name of this restaurant. Because people are asking. This is the restaurant, guys. Right there, Uncle Julius, and it's really pretty. Let me go stay on the other side. I want you guys to be able to see what it looks like outside. As you see, the inside is pretty, and this is what it looks like here outside. See, it's pretty here. It has a good customer service. I enjoy the food. So yeah, Uncle Julius is the name. So every night there's a beautiful thing going on here. There's like a dance floor and stuff like that. So they have like a dance like salsa dance kind of stuff.